Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys phone media sound guys, how can we on in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone media sound, so how can you on today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, we will on guys our phone setting guys, and we will search here guys media sound. So guys, we will search here guys phone media sound guy, we will search here. So friends, you can see guys phone media sound guy, we will tap here. Friends, you can see phone media sound guys, from sound from videos, games and other media guys you want to on. So guys, you can on, and guys you can use from here. And friends, you want to off, so guys you can off from here also. So let the guy, we can on and off guys our phone media sound in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and off Infinix phone, my phone media sound setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.